Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and it is not a drink today, but I'm going to be showing you all how to make the weed nugget strawberries. Well, the weed nugget chocolate covered strawberries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of the golden Oreos, and I'm going to put them in my blender. And I'm going to go ahead and get these crushed up because I want it to be nice and finely chopped. This is how we want it to look. Almost like sand. All right, so what I've done is separated it in two different bags. You can use some sandwich bags if you would like. And then I'm gonna use some purple and green food coloring. And you just wanna drop a few in there just to get it the color that you prefer. So first I'm gonna start off with the green, and I'm just gonna do it a little light, not too dark, and then I'm gonna separate it and do a little bit of it just a little darker than the first batch. And just keep adding drops. The green that I got so far. So I'm just gonna dump a little bit of this one into another bag, and then I'm gonna get the other half of this a little bit darker. A little darker than the last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that poured into the other bag as well. And this is how it looks so far. And you can just leave it like this if you want. You don't have to add the purple, or you can get it darker. You can make it as light, however you prefer it. So now I'm going to go in and make the purple. If you can see it, it's a little purple. And you can make it as dark or as light as you would like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of this to my green. And I think I'm going to keep it this color. I'm not going to add any more purple. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in a bowl just to see if you can see it a little bit better. All right, so I'm going to be using white chocolate for mine. And I do have a video on my channel if you want to see how I thin out my chocolate as well. And I'm just doing these just to show you all. This is just like a small demonstration. I'm not making them for anyone, just for myself. So if you're more comfortable with using a toothpick, you can do that, or you can just hold them by the stems and dip them if you would like. It's up to you. First, I'm gonna go in with my white chocolate. Make sure you get the extra chocolate off. And then I'm just gonna twirl it around in my cookie crumbs. Just like that. All right, guys, so after they have dried, this is what they will look like. And if you want to add like the cigarillos to them, you can get some pretzel rods, dip them in milk chocolate, and then just dip the ends of it in the cookie crumbs as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today on how to make the chocolate covered strawberry nuggets. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.